Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. If your PC is running hot, your GPU is throttling, or your case airflow is just choked, you're losing performance without even realizing it. Many mid-tower cases look good but fail where it matters most: cooling efficiency and clean airflow paths. That's where a proper airflow-focused case becomes a game-changer. Meet the NZXT H7 Flow, 2024, a mid-tower ATX airflow case designed for high cooling performance in clean, modern builds. The H7 Flow 2024 focuses heavily on thermal performance. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, giving you solid airflow right out of the box. The front panel is fully optimized for air intake, helping your system breathe better under gaming or heavy workloads. A standout feature is bottom fan support, which directly targets GPU cooling, great for modern powerful graphics cards. Inside, you get excellent cable management space, making builds look clean and improving airflow at the same time. It supports ATX motherboards, has a spacious interior for large GPUs, and maintains NZXT's signature minimalist design in white. Pros: excellent airflow designed for CPU and GPU cooling. Includes 3 pre-installed fans. Clean cable management system. Spacious and beginner-friendly layout. Cons: not as flashy as RGB heavy cases out of the box. Airflow-focused design may feel simple for aesthetic builders. This case is perfect for gamers, content creators, or anyone running a high-performance GPU who wants lower temperatures and stable performance. If you care more about cooling and clean builds than flashy RGB, this is a strong pick. At around $69.99, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 offers excellent value, especially considering its airflow performance, included fans, and premium build layout. Number 4. Meet the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a fully modular mid-tower ATX case built for flexibility, airflow, and custom PC setups. This case stands out because it comes in a flat-pack, fully modular design, meaning you actually assemble parts of the chassis yourself for maximum customization and compact shipping. It supports eATX motherboards, giving you room for high-end workstation or gaming builds. You get a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, helping basic airflow right away. One of its biggest highlights is vertical GPU mounting support, perfect for showcasing high-end graphics cards. It also supports dual 280mm radiators, making it strong for liquid cooling setups. The tempered glass panels add a clean, modern look while still allowing you to show off your build. Pros: highly modular, customizable flat-pack design. Supports eATX and large, powerful builds. Vertical GPU mount option. Strong cooling potential with dual radiator support. Cons: assembly required, not beginner-friendly for everyone. Only 1 pre-installed fan. Cable/airflow tuning depends heavily on builder skill. Perfect for PC enthusiasts, custom builders, and gamers who want full control over their setup. If you enjoy building, modding, or want a unique-looking case with flexible layout options, this is for you. At around $63.99, it's a strong value for a modular case with eATX support and advanced cooling flexibility, but the real value depends on how much effort you put into building it. Number 3. Meet the InWin A3-mATX gaming chassis, a compact, stylish mini-tower case with RGB flare and modern tempered glass design. The A3 is designed for compact gaming builds while still keeping a premium look. It comes with a built-in ARGB 120mm fan, giving you lighting effects right out of the box. The tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your components clearly, especially RGB setups. Despite its small footprint, it supports air and liquid cooling, making it flexible for different build styles. The rear-mounted PSU design helps improve internal space efficiency and cable routing. It's built for mini ITX systems, focusing on compact performance builds rather than large, bulky setups. Pros: compact and stylish design. Pre-installed ARGB fan included. Tempered glass for premium aesthetics. Supports air and liquid cooling. Cons: Limited to small motherboard size, mini ITX only. Less upgrade room compared to mid-towers. Not ideal for large GPUs or heavy expansion builds. Perfect for gamers who want a small but powerful RGB build, especially desk setups where space is limited. Ideal for mini ITX enthusiasts and clean, minimal gaming rigs. At around $131.99, it's more expensive than typical compact cases, but you're paying for premium design, RGB lighting, and a clean showcase-style build in a small form factor. Number 2. Meet the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow, a stylish white mid-tower case with strong airflow, RGB fans, and dual-tempered glass design. This case is built for both performance and aesthetics. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans, giving you strong airflow and lighting right out of the box. It supports up to eATX motherboards, making it suitable for high-end gaming or workstation builds. A major highlight is the front and side dual-tempered glass panels, which create a full showcase-style view of your components. It also supports up to 360mm radiators, so advanced liquid cooling setups are fully supported. With a bottom-mounted PSU design and optimized airflow layout, it's designed to keep modern powerful GPUs and CPUs cool. Pros. Comes with 3 ARGB fans included. Excellent showcase design with dual glass panels. Strong cooling support, air plus liquid. eATX compatibility for high-end builds. Cons. Glass panels attract fingerprints easily. Stock fan setup may need upgrades for extreme overclocking. Airflow depends on intake configuration. Perfect for gamers and PC builders who want a clean white RGB showcase build with strong cooling support. Ideal if you're building a powerful gaming PC and care about looks as much as performance. At around $69.99, this case offers excellent value, getting you eATX support, 3 ARGB fans, and a premium dual glass design at a budget-friendly price point. Number 1. Meet the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L micro form factor chassis, a premium compact case designed for powerful small form builds with maximum flexibility. This case focuses on modular design and compact performance. With a 26.3L volume, it stays small but still supports MicroATX and Mini ITX motherboards. A major highlight is its flexible power supply mounting system, allowing different PSU orientations for better space optimization. It supports up to a 360mm AIO cooler, which is impressive for such a compact chassis. The design is part of a DAN collaboration, known for smart SFF engineering and clean layouts. Instead of pre-installed fans, it gives you full freedom to customize your cooling setup. Despite its size, it still supports modern gaming GPUs with a smart internal layout. Pros. Premium compact SFF design. Supports large 360mm AIO cooling. Highly modular and flexible layout. Excellent build quality and engineering. Cons. No fans included. Cable management can be challenging for beginners. Limited space for large expansion builds. Perfect for SFF enthusiasts, minimal desk setups, and high-performance compact gaming PCs. If you want a clean, powerful build in a small footprint, this is for experienced builders. At around $89.99, it offers strong value for a premium modular SFF case. You're paying for engineering quality, flexibility, and compact performance, not out-of-the-box cooling. If you like this breakdown, check the link in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more PC case reviews and builds.